Hey developers, welcome to another exciting video of WordPress. I am Taslimul Hasan, a professional WordPress designer and developer. In this video, I will show you how you can add videos on your WordPress blog post. For that, log into your WordPress website, then click on the post, all post. We have one post here. Click on edit now. This is a simple post. Now here you can see the plus button. Click this button and now type video here. So here you can see some option to upload your videos. You can upload your local computer videos, you can upload your YouTube videos, or you can upload the Vimeo videos. So let's upload the YouTube video. After clicking on YouTube, you can see this box here. You need to put the link of the video. So I will upload this video, copy this video link and paste it here. Now click embed. This will embed the video. Okay, the video has been embedded. Don't forget to update this page before leaving. Now click on the view post to see the update. Now you can see the video has been updated and you can play this video. Now if you want to upload a local video which is not on YouTube, just click the edit post again, click the add button, write the video again and choose the first one. Here you can upload the video directly. You can upload video from your media library, or you can upload a video from other sources. So let's upload it from our computer. Click media library. Here is also the upload option. Click here. I will upload this video. Click here and open it. The file is uploading. You can see the video has been uploaded, and now we can select this, add this on the page. So the video has been added here. Now update this page. So the page has been updated. Now click view post to see the post. Here you can see the second video appeared, and this video may be little bit buffery because of this video is hosted on our website, and the website hosting may be slower than the YouTube video. So we recommend to upload the video on a video hosting provider like YouTube, which is free, or you can use Vimeo to upload your videos and then add those videos on your website. Thank you for watching this video. Please smash that like button and subscribe our channel to get more videos on WordPress and web related tools.